Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have Tab A7 from Samsung. This is the box, and this is dark gray color, 32 GB. So this is the box from all the sides, and now we will open the box. So let's take the tablet out of the box. So here it is in a dust cover, which can be used later as well. And let's see what's in here. So this is a charger with proper cable, type C cable, yeah. And then the other part has user manual and all. So this is the model number here, and so this is the box. That's the thing that is in the box. And let's see the tablet now. Now here you can see the tablet, right? So it has a camera, but I'm sure the resolution of the camera is not too much, because tablets nowadays, they are just for school purposes or online classes, right? So this is ready to open. We have switched it on. All right, so here it is. Now if you just slide it, so looks good. The screen is very clear, and it is also very fast. So this is the tablet, and it is like 4 GB RAM, so which is good enough to attend online classes or do some regular work. It is with some basic apps, it comes with that. So that's it. I hope you like the video. I'll show you the camera quality quickly. So as I said, it's not too good because it's, just for the study purpose. Let's see the photo that we just took. Here it is. So I hope you like the video, and this is the tablet. It is like a good tablet. The screen is 10.4 inches. So this price, this tablet for your kids also, or for your regular work also, it's a good choice. So I hope you like the video, and thank you for watching.